Hi all, let me talk about the error detection techniques today. First of all, let us see what is this error. If the receiver's message that has been received is not same as the message that has been sent by the sender, then error is detected. The error detection techniques have been applied at the data link layer. There are mainly four methods we have it for detecting the errors. The first one is the single parity check. Here in the single parity check, the data is considered in the form of byte. Every byte is written one after the other, and along with the 8 bits of data, an extra parity, an extra bit has been added to add whether if there are odd number of ones, one parity check is added, and if there are even number of ones, 0 parity has been checked. And the information with the byte and an extra parity is sent to the receiver. The receiver checks if there are even number of ones, then there is no problem, else the error is detected. And the second technique we have is two-dimensional parity check. Along with every byte of information, the bytes are written one below the other. The column-wise bytes are also checked to add even ones onto the column side. That is how the technique two-dimensional parity checks works. And then we have the third technique called as the checksum. Here in the checksum, the sender takes the binary data, adds them up using the ones complementary. Now that complemented information along with the original data is sent on to the receiver side. That complemented information is acting or called as a checksum. Now on to the other side, the data and checksum will be added. If all the data that have been got is ones, then there is no error, else error is detected. And the last technique is CRC or the cyclic redundancy check. Here the data again is considered in the binary format, and then this data is divided with a fixed polynomial. Now after taking the division is being done by using the 2's modulo operator. Now after the division, whatever the remainder comes, that remainder is updated to the data to create the CRC. On to the other side, again this value is divided with the same polynomial. If all zeros, no error, else error.